Hi, I'm Stephen Holloway. I'm the Pro-Vice Chancellor for the Faculty of Science and Engineering at Liverpool University, and I've played a big role over the last 7 years in bringing the central teaching labs to fruition. We were approached by Peter from the SLab's organisation because I guess word was out that the labs were quite an interesting development in the way that undergraduate teaching might actually take place. And so we had a few discussions about what we might do, and he told us about the history of SLabs, which I was unfamiliar with, and we were more than happy to host it. I'm holding a lunch tomorrow of senior university academics to discuss the sort of how might one go about raising capital for this sort of rather expensive project, and why you would do it, what the business case might look like, what are the long-term benefits, what are the fringe benefits that they might have. I mean, here we are this evening, we're in a conference, which normally an undergraduate lab in a university wouldn't hold a conference. And so there are a number of things in terms of outreach to schools and whatever. There's many things. So those are the sort of things that interest me. By amalgamating, a lot of universities in the UK were built around the time of the 50s and the 60s with the Robbins era. And I think that a lot of them are getting tired, not just Liverpool University. And so that issue of whether you should go into the departments and refurbish all the laboratories or actually do something slightly different is a rather interesting one. I think the other thing is that since we are now living in a society where the sort of the challenges which undergraduate students recognise are not discipline specific. So if it's climate change or if it's energy, they're not physics or they're not chemistry or they're not geology. They're everything. And it does give the students an opportunity to get together and actually begin to develop an understanding of these things at the undergraduate level, which I just think is really exciting.